How to log out of all devices on Amazon. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of all your devices on Amazon. Without further ado, let's get started. So we can do this through the Amazon app, so we are going to open our Safari browser. After that, let's just type in the website of Amazon. And then once you have signed in, make sure you have signed in to access your information. Just click on this button at the top left corner that says AA and click on Request Desktop Website. This will enable us to navigate through the site easier. After that, let's just zoom in to the top right of the website and click on the Accounts and Lists. And then after that, just click on the account option. Once you are in this page, you have many options. Let's just zoom in right here and focus on digital services and device support. And let's just click on that. And here are the things you can do. So let's just click on Manage Devices. So in this page, it will list the Amazon apps installed on the following devices. So I have my Amazon account installed on one device. So just click on a particular device you want to log out to. And here is the name and the date last registered on. And let's focus on the actions we can do. So let's just click on the register to log out your account on that specific device. And this will pop out, and just click on the register again. And now you have logged out of that specific device. So if you have multiple devices, just repeat the steps that you have just done. And that is how you can log out of all your devices on Amazon. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.